Hi, my name is Osaro Destiny, and today I want to do a quick video to say the things that Dr. Ope Banwo has done for me. I happen to have met Dr. Ope Banwo in the year 2013, and when I met him, I was actually a very broke student who was trying to get into the university. But forward to meeting him, he picked me up and he engaged me in his mentorship, and I became one of his best mentors, even though I had some issues that caused me serious problems. But I have to say this, that the short period that I spent with Dr. Ope Banwo was one of the best periods in my life, because it changed my mindset about internet marketing, and it helped me get this far that I am, to an extent whereby I'm able to make 200, 300,000 consistently monthly without flinching an eyelid. I've been able to take care of my family, been able to travel abroad, do virtually anything I like, and I'm living large. I'm living okay for an average person. So I'm doing this video to tell you, if you're still contemplating joining Dr. Ope Banwo's program, you have no reason to still continue contemplating, because it's going to be one of the best investments you'll make in your life.